Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a suit kind of like this, to where if you do that, wait, okay, I don't know why that didn't work, but now you're wearing it. Oh crap, did I not make this a one-player server? No.
It was actually two. Sorry for
Crap.
joining if you don't want me to join.
You know what, fine, you can just build somewhere.
Dap me up, dap me up, dap me up.
Okay, I guess. I
Your
just had to
arms
make a
are really long.
tutorial video. Right, so...
My cat is digging at my floor.
Okay,
Cats these days, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Did you make that suit?
Yeah. Okay, so it will look like this when it's done, I think. Did you get it right? Alright, then I gotta...
Oh my god, sorry.
Oh.
I did not know the sword was that big.
Okay, so then okay, so you wanna first make the thing you are going to wear. You're gonna make like a armor thing.
This is so weird. Ah. How do people even make these type of things?
Oh, I didn't make it. The code's in the Discord server for Grab.
You didn't make the codes and the triggers?
I mean, I made some of the code. I made everything here except the code.
How do I wear this?
You gotta press the trigger block, which is either the body or head.
Whoa. Everything is one black. Oh. Whoa.
Yeah, that's supposed to happen. It's like your screen turns black because you're putting on the suit. Alright.
I got spring locked.
Yeah, you did. I gotta make that. Okay, so... Right. When you... Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna get rid of this whole design and just...
POV SCP-196. Oh my god, where'd I just go?
Oh, dude, I just realized. I made a quitting video and accidentally sent it to YouTube instead of TikTok.
That sucks.
It only had like 3 views though, I think.
Why can't you just delete it?
Huh?
Why can't you just delete it?
Yeah. I don't know why is my volume all the way down. I'm gonna make this like a knight's armor.
I just got spring locked.
Oh no. The man behind the slider. No, 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 no.
It's
No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay, so by the way, you'd want to make it to where there's probably like no bottom, but you can just turn off passable for that. And actually, I'm gonna make the eye view a bit larger.
How do I take it
Alright,
out?
this looks good.
Out the door.
Here, hold on. I could just stop
I'm
reset,
stuck forever.
stop reset. Okay, so when you're done making the piece you want to use, go ahead and get a code block. Get the selection.
He looks spring locked.
Actually, edit connections. Select this and add your player. Then press edit on group 1 and turn on whatever you want to use. Alright, then, okay. In player, you want to turn on select ID, select part, then local ID. No, wait. Oh yeah, also turn on the positions and rotations for whatever you want to do. Make it just copy group 1. Now press back, edit program, and let me get the code. Alright. Oh, by the way, if you, for cell part 4, 4 is right hand, 3 is left hand, 2 is feet, 1 is body, and 0 is head. Oh, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to copy it. Set label. And add. So we have. So after label, press set 6 times and go to. Then cell ID part. Set this to local ID and this to constant. Since this is a head. Okay, that's meant to be 0. Okay, wait, cell ID, local ID, and cell part. Alright. So now you want to make it to where the player is on the right. So player X, Y, Z, positions, then rotation X, Y, Z, then press this and do group, and do the thing you want to use. Group X, Y, Z position, then X, Y, Z rotations. Okay, let me just make sure I got all of that. Player. That's going to be that. And alright, looks like I got everything. Alright, so then I'm gonna make a trigger block that activates the code whenever you press it, because it's probably gonna glitch out and be all weird and stuff. So do not turn on is shared, or else I might try giving it to everyone. No, go to alright. Go to connect, and then select the code block. Right. And I forgot to set the pivot. Alright, by the way, make sure that the pivot is set correctly. I might want to make this a bit big. Okay, and maybe turn on pass before all of it. I'd recommend you do that. Hello there. This looks cool. Oh crap, I accidentally did that. Just. This looks pretty cool. Wait. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god. Why is that A button? This looks cool. Okay, well, that's how you make that. If you want all the effects for it, like for that one, you're gonna have to make it yourself because I don't remember how to do that. Right now, that was just for the head, so you're just gonna want to repeat that process, but move this down and make it big for the body. Alright, now you're gonna want to get the code block for it, edit connections, and remove the group. Now use whatever you want. For this, I'm gonna make it this model. Gonna make it fit in the trigger block. No, that won't work. Okay. This'll work. Alright. Alright. That guy left. Oh, well, the camera's on. Okay. So then just selection, edit connections, and add the new block. Just name it group 1 to save time, even if it's not a group. And make sure to, if you're making it a block, just make sure it's passable. No matter what, make sure it's all passable. Okay, I might get crashed here. Okay, no. Good. Alright, so then you'd want to group the arms if it's if it's 2 blocks. Then set the pivot to where you want the hand to be. I'd recommend it being a little deep in the arm, or else it'll look weird. Then just copy that arm to the other side, and then there. Alright. So then you want to do the exact same thing you did for this, just edit connections, and rename this to group 1. That's all you have to do. You don't have to touch anything else, as long as you've already got the code stuff set up and all that. Alright, so then you want to reset program on all these and make sure this is probably going to be set to hand. And then, oh, what happened? Oh, I forgot to name all the things. Is there a head, one body? Sorry, guys. So you do have to touch the code a bit. No. Alright, so constant, when it's 1, it's body, 0 is head, 2 is feet, 3 is left hand, and 4 is right hand. So, set constant here to 4, and constant here to 3. Okay, so 3, 1, no wait, 0, 1, 4, 3. Okay, it's looking a bit odd. Is that because I forgot to turn on possible for this? Yep. And also the pivots are messed up. Just a bit. So if they're messed up like that too, oh, you're going to have to fix it, I guess. Alright. So Y should always be up, by the way, because Y-axis is up and down. So let's first do that for both these. Alright, and test it. Okay, the one arm works, but not the other. And I forgot which arm works. The left one, right. Okay, so red back, blue right. What if we just do that? Okay, I guess Y is not all is meant to be up. No, it is. Crap. Yeah. Alright, so now I do not know why this is not working. No, it is working. It's just stupid pivots. Okay, something's odd here, so I'm just gonna flip these around. Okay, I guess I was wrong about things being wrong. Because arms were originally just upside down. And that was pretty odd. Yeah, see? So they need to be flipped a bit. Okay, maybe red needs to be up. Okay, the right arm's doing good. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. The pivots don't really matter. I'm just gonna get rid of that because I don't really need it. Just make sure the pivots are correct. Oh, that's the end of the video. And also, I gotta show this one more time because this is sick. I mean, look, it goes dark. Then. Yeah, by the way, this is why I want you to set the pivot a bit in the arm because, look. You'd want the arm showing less, so you'd want to move the pivot a bit in more. Knife. Alright, oh, I'm gonna fly. Oh. Also, by the way, this will forever follow you unless you manually stop and press reset. Stop reset, stop reset, stop reset. Okay, make sure it says stop whenever you're doing it, then it goes to run after you press it. um, I'm gonna give you guys a little showcase of my next map I'm gonna publish, I guess. My camera's still there. Alright, that's good. This is gonna be a giant mountain. What is this? What is this? Well, bye.